Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for all things about health, fitness, and wellness. Today, we're settling a debate. Jump rope versus jogging, which burns more fat? If you're looking for the best workout to shed those extra pounds, stick around because the answer might surprise you. Jump rope is a high-intensity workout that engages multiple muscle groups at once. Studies show that just 10 minutes of jumping rope can burn the same amount of calories as 30 minutes of jogging. That's because jumping rope keeps your heart rate elevated, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Jogging, on the other hand, is a steady-state cardio exercise. It's great for endurance and burns calories over a longer period. While jogging burns fat effectively, it generally takes more time to achieve the same calorie burn as jump rope. Jumping rope is not just cardio, it's also a full-body workout. It tones your legs, arms, core, and shoulders while improving coordination. Plus, because it's high intensity, it boosts your metabolism even after your workout is over, helping you burn fat even at rest. Jogging primarily targets your legs and core, making it an excellent choice for building endurance and cardiovascular health. It's also lower impact than jump rope, which may be better for those with joint concerns. If burning fat quickly is your goal, jump rope wins. It's more time efficient, burns more calories per minute, and boosts your metabolism longer. However, jogging still has major benefits, especially if you prefer a lower impact and longer duration workout. The best choice? Mix both into your routine for variety and maximum fat burn. So, what's your go-to cardio workout? Jump rope or jogging? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from Health Options 101. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.